Ever pondered how the vivid festival of Holi could intertwine with the ever-evolving world of technology? Imagine a world where the joyous color battles of Holi blend seamlessly with the cutting-edge tech of our era. With the advent of augmented reality, or AR as it's more commonly known, we are on the brink of such a reality. Augmented reality is an interactive technology that superimposes a computer-generated image onto our view of the real world, thus providing a composite view. It's like laying an extra layer of digital information directly on top of what we see. With a device such as a smartphone or AR glasses, we can see and interact with this layer, making our physical world brim with virtual details. Now, imagine wielding this technology during Holi. With AR, we can play Holi digitally, splashing virtual colors on each other and the environment around us, all through our devices. It's like playing Holi in a whole new virtual arena, devoid of any mess or potential allergies from color powders. AR works by utilizing algorithms and sensors to determine the position and orientation of a camera. This data then allows the technology to project digital information onto the camera's view. In the case of Holi, Arkansas could generate immersive, colorful environments and effects, providing a unique and exciting way to celebrate the festival. Moreover, Arkansas isn't just about the fun and games, it's also about creating safer, more inclusive festivities. With this technology, people who may have health concerns about the traditional colors used during Holi, or those who simply don't want to deal with the aftermath of the color mess, can still partake in the celebration. It provides a virtual yet immersive experience of Holi, right at your fingertips. In summary, augmented reality is revolutionizing the way we experience our world, and now it's set to transform how we celebrate our festivals. By combining the vibrant tradition of Holi with the dynamic capabilities of AR, we're not just preserving cultural traditions but also adapting them to our digital age. It's a fusion of tradition and technology, offering a safer, cleaner, and more inclusive way to celebrate Holi. So the next time you think of Holi, remember it's not just about the colors you can touch but also about the colors you can see and feel through the lens of technology.